Welcome to your comprehensive guide on navigating OKX's deposit and withdrawal processes. Discover the essential steps to enable deposit methods on your OKX account. Learn how to set up and verify your bank account for smooth transactions. Explore the simple process of depositing funds into your OKX wallet. Uncover the importance of account verification for hassle-free withdrawals. Navigate the two main withdrawal methods, on-chain and internal transfers. Master the step-by-step process for executing on-chain withdrawals. Understand the nuances of internal transfers between OKX accounts. Decode the fee structure for deposits and withdrawals on OKX. Get familiar with transaction limits and processing times for various methods. Enhance your account security with two-factor authentication, 2FA. Maximize your OKX experience by understanding verification levels and whitelist mode. You're now equipped to navigate OKX with confidence. Start your journey to becoming an OKX master. Ready to start? Click the link below to create your OKX account and begin your crypto journey.